So today we are talking about properties of logarithms. So basically, remember when we work with exponents and we have two bases multiplied by each other that are the same, we can add our exponents? It's kind of the same thing with logarithms. So if I have two log bases the same, I can add them together. So you remember how, like, if I'm okay, I'm glad I clarified.
So like if the basis is the same, you add
I was teaching but I don't know if I graphed it wrong. We graphed it on a piece of paper. Okay, so same thing with dividing. You subtract the exponents, or in this case, they're not exponents. And then when something's raised to a power, this one's a little bit different. You take the power and move it out front. So notice how it went from being up there to out front. Okay? So this one, no, I'm trying to decide if I want to do 1 through 3. I'm not going to do them. They're not on the quiz. They're not on the quiz. And if you wanted to solve them, you could just type them in the calculator. Huh? Will you stop clapping? Good. So this one wants me to expand. What I do is I separate the top and the bottom. So I have ln 5x to the 7. That's from the top. And then when I have... What? Mm-hmm.
What are you minusing?
Well, you told me to wait. ln y. So I split division up with minus.
Why would you skip the
Because you could just type those in the calculator, and it's not on the quiz. This is like the one I had you the other day. Okay, then what I want to do is, notice how I have 5 times x in this part? I can split that up more. So it's going to be ln 5x. Multiplication gets split up with a plus. No, I have one more step. Okay. What? It's mostly so you know how to condense them. Well, we need to know backwards and forwards. Anyways, the last step is to move the exponent out in front. You sound like a calculator. Like one of those ones, like when you like type in, it speaks.
Oh, I never had one of those. What is it?
Okay. So number 5 wants me to condense. What do I do to condense? How do I merge it together? So I want to go in the opposite order. I went in number 4. So the last thing I did in number 4 was I moved my exponent out front. So I want to, for this one, I want to take my exponent and move it back. What? You should have been a plus. What? Because ln is base e. Okay. Then what do I want to do next? Okay.
So log 6 plus log 2 to the third. 9 minus 3.
That's not what Daisy said.
I'm asking.
No, Daisy said the 9 and 2 need to go together. Why do they need to go together?
Where do we get 9 and 2 from?
Because there's plus, so then I'm going to have, in parentheses, 9 times 2 cubed.
Wait, why?
Because multiplication goes with addition. Kind of like how, remember, we multiply, like x to the 7th times x squared, and you add the exponents.
Alright, but doesn't dividing go with
Oh,
subtraction?
Yeah, but
So why didn't we
I don't actually subtract the numbers.
So why didn't we do that for number 4?
I don't actually subtract the numbers, Ruben. I just subtract the words.
Yeah, that'd be a great investment.
So then I'm going to rewrite it as log 9 times 2 cubed over 3. And then, since I have actual numbers, because minus is the same, it goes with division.
I don't like this. Have you guys learned this before? Is that why you move this sometimes?
No.
No, you should plug it into the calc.
Just this piece. Don't type in the word log.
Why?
Because I don't actually want to solve it.
So I'm about to write it on my paper. Don't type log.
Mm-hmm.
Answer's 24 numbers. A log 24.
Mm-hmm.
How do you know? Let me guess.
Wait, how do you even plug that into the calculator?
Just do 9 times 2 cubed divided by 3. Okay, did you want me to go over the... Yeah. Do you want me to go over the 2 that are on the back? Okay. I don't know why number 6 and 7 are on here. We've learned that before.
How do you do it? Tell me. I don't think I learned it.
So to do log base, you go math, and then choice A. So scroll all the way to the bottom. And then, well, Jessica was asking me how to do 6 and 7. No.
And that's what it is, 1.8.
It's like water. Yeah.
That's all it is?
Yeah.
Wait, so what about the block? You guys just
We're skipping that again.
why we skip that?
Because it's not on the test. And if we wanted to, we could just type that into a calculator without.
We just type it in a calculator?
Yeah.
So we do 11 or no?
Yes, we're going to do 11. Okay, so how would I expand it?
You have to break it up.
Okay, how do I break it up?
You multiply the y.
No.
No, you do ln and then you do the one on top, 3x.
Is it minus LNY?
Yes. No. It breaks it more.
You have to take
And then you have to type it on the calculator.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Is it plus or minus?
Plus for the x5, because it was on the top.
And then you want to take the y.
Oh, so when it says expand, you don't have to do like the whole.
Mm-mm. That's it. Mm-hmm. I'm going to make it so all the things are alone, and there's no exponents. Yeah, when it says expand. On the homework? Yeah, but give me a few minutes, because it's under a bunch of stuff. Okay, how do I condense number 12?
You first put the 3 back out in front.
What?
Put it back to be the exponent before. And then you put the log 6 and the other log back
You only solve the stuff in the parentheses, not the actual logarithm. Is that what you got before?